Gabe Cruz has been building day after day after day. You've seen he revamped this ledge by raising it slightly. Now he has built a monstrosity that you have seen in the thumbnail, but look at this. So we're gonna, I guess this is a mega ramp ledge?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Miniature,
Yeah, huh?
mini mega.
Mini mega ledge.
No, but it's mini, yeah, micro mega. That's the one.
Mega ledge.
Wow. What do you think of this, JD?
I think this is cool, but I'm kind of scared.
So are you, never mind. Just are you?
I am.
Okay.
But if I'm looking at it from now, just looking at it,
Yeah.
this looks way scarier than the rail. Just saying.
I mean, people don't even know about the rail.
You're right.
That's
they've seen
in
it.
another video later.
Yeah, they've seen the video.
Isn't that video out?
No?
Okay.
I need to release mine.
Were you gonna build up to the, oh, okay. When does that come out?
I don't know. I'm editing it.
Subscribe to the JD Sanchez YouTube channel if you want to see the rail.
You need us to edit it for you, JD?
Huh?
You need us to edit it for you?
Please, I would love that, dude.
Gene,
I don't like editing.
Send a message to our boy.
I'm good at editing. I like editing, but then I can't do it too long, else I just get mad.
What? Okay.
Okay,
That's
so
fine.
wait. I don't even
It's
think I'm-
okay to feel emotions, JD.
But now I got stress putty. Shout out Gabe.
Does it help? Does it make you de-stress?
During school this morning when I was watching the video, I think it helped.
What did you learn in school today?
Algebra, plotting stuff on a grid, but it was like I don't even want to remember.
What other subjects you got? History?
No, we don't have history right now.
You know, there's not many things I remember from grade school math. You know what I will never forget? The slope-intercept formula.
It's hailing.
Is it hailing?
Yeah.
Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Oh!
Hey,
We got some hail!
damn, it hasn't hailed in a
What
hot
the
time.
hell? Oh! What the hell? Bro!
Get the snowball!
It's hailing! What is going on? What the hell? What the hell? Hey, that's how you know it's cold out here.
Yeah, it's all over
What
now.
do you think, Glo?
It's just hail.
It was just sunny, literally. I was so happy.
God is
It's
crying.
one in my trunk. It's so cold.
Back to the obstacle.
Mother Nature tried to distress us right now.
Yeah, maybe Mother Nature was saying, do not do it. It's a bad idea.
Rick, I want one trick on this from you.
Okay.
Just Wally 50-50.
That would be sick.
If
But
you
then
could-
you have to push it out a bit.
Yeah, and
That's
then you're
true.
gonna land flat.
That's okay. We can do it. Let me try and do a normal 50-50.
Okay,
Yeah.
so here's the idea. Because since this ramp isn't like super duper wide, I think we work in backside, front side. Because I totally didn't try this earlier front side with it being kind of close to the edge and almost fell off. So, I think, you want to start backside or front side?
Yeah, let's start backside.
Okay, let's start backside. Not gonna lie, I'm not a big fan of backside tricks on regular ledges, but I feel like on a jump ramp, it's not as scary. I don't know. Maybe it's just me.
I don't know what he's saying this is more scary than a rail. I don't understand that
Yeah,
at
I
all.
think this
This
is way
is
safer.
way more scary than
How?
that.
You don't
He was
sack
trying
a
to
box.
He was trying to front board the route, but this you get on and you chill on. The rail you're
Look,
in the
look,
dead zone.
It's sunny. It is not. The sun has come out.
All right, let's get it. First attempt. Oh, Jesus.
We should move that a little bit, huh?
That was way sketchier.
Is the
Yeah,
ledge?
exactly.
Do we need to move that ledge?
No. Damn, what is that? Holy macaroni. I don't even know what else to try on this thing. I mean, crook would be sick, but that's kind of sketchy. I don't know if there's anything else. But Ricky, when you want to do this, I suggest stay kind of far. And I feel like it's easier if you're a little bit far and then you angle into it in the air, if that makes sense.
That's what I tried there, right?
No, I feel like you're like right here.
Even more angle?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
I think. I don't know. I'm not really a good of a teacher, but that's what I would say.
He takes school in the morning and he teaches afternoon.
I gotta move it a little because I feel like if I do oh yeah, I'm doing a crook. But I feel like if I do a crook, there's high chances you go that way. I know, but that's like the next thing. I don't know what else. 5-0's too scary. No slide? Oh yeah, that's true. Might be a little sticky.
5-0.
Nah, 5 was too sketch. Front
Front,
side,
front
yeah.
5?
Front 5 I got. No slide. I'll try no slide. I don't know. That was cool-ish.
Can I try that?
Yeah, I think that one's easier.
Back tail, Rick. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my god.
Whoa!
Bro.
You done didn't move the ring. There you go. Dude! You're stressing me out, dog. Here, let me do a regular air out and see what I do.
You snap the tail.
Yeah, I think you gotta pop with it and you gotta have your back leg above your front. It's easier. Yeah, that was better.
There you go.
And I think you gotta, stay like in the pocket, the front pocket, like right here. You gotta like stay there. The whatever that is, the kick, that. All right, should I try crook? I think that's the next step. All right, first try. Oh, that was pretty close. That felt good, actually. What the heck? I like that. Oh, that was it.
Whoa! You good?
Yeah, that didn't hurt. I was like there, and then my board started turning, and I was like, I'm not there.
Don't, Rick. Where are
Put
the knee pads at?
Jinx. Yeah, that was it. That was it. Get my bag.
Oh!
Damn, that felt beautiful.
What
Not
the
gonna
heck?
lie. That felt absolutely beautiful. Hey, you know this ledge is working way better than I thought. The looks are deceiving.
Thanks.
You know?
I'm on my A game this week.
Yeah, Gabe's been on top with his ideas recently and executing them. That sled was good. This was pretty cool. And what the hell
That's
was
it.
that?
2 ideas.
I swear I just saw something over there.
What are you going for here, Rick?
50-50, big ollie. Oh man.
Y'all know what's my dream, Gabe?
No grip.
What?
Front 50, opposite way.
Going that way?
Yeah, going this
What's
way.
stopping you from doing it?
Because Ricky, actually,
Yeah, why don't you
it
just
looks
do
like
it?
it's in the perfect spot. No, I thought I would have to push it back a little more. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just go off to the side so then I land perfect. All
Do
right,
it.
First tee.
If you have a dream, you can achieve it, you know?
I got a dream.
I drive it. You have 50-50.
In a line.
Ow.
What is that supposed to, like?
How do you skate this?
Man, that felt pretty cool.
That was sick.
That was fun.
Should I back you up?
Yeah. You gotta land it, Rick.
You're not pumping on that down
Pop,
part on the wall.
pop.
Pop?
Pop.
Wait, what's this? Why is my foot come up?
Because you're not popping. You're popping too early and it's like sliding, I think. Pop earlier.
Oh.
What does that mean, pop earlier?
You're popping here. So you like aren't prepared for the pop. If you pop like here, then you can like level it out and work on it more. Earlier, watch.
I've never been good at olling out of these like weird kicker things.
That was
I feel
it.
like I'm just getting on.
I mean, you are.
Yeah, but
Like
that's
I'm
good.
olling up a curve for the first time.
Yep, basically.
You got it. Next try.
Oh!
Hip hip hooray!
There it is.
That was so sick, Rick. You did it. That was sick.
So sick, Rick.
Super sick, JD.
Super sick.
Hell yeah.
All right, now it's time to go front side for me. Because
I
front
think I'm
side is
done
my I think we got to start off with a front 50. You know, get the legs flowing, get the tries going.
Wow.
I'm pop on that. There's a lot of stuff I want to try front side, but I don't know what's the order to do it.
What are your options here?
We got front
5-0.
Smith,
Smith?
5-0, and tail slide.
Tail slide? I would probably, to me, I would do Smith last.
Really? I think Smith is
I mean,
middle.
I would go like 5-0, then Smith, and then tail slide. My order would be 5-0, Smith, tail slide.
Yeah, I think that's my order too. All right, well, let's see. 5-0? 5-0, first try for 504 and Fivio, whatever his name is.
Oh! Get along! Get along!
Oh!
Oh!
The adrenaline got to me. If I didn't have adrenaline, I would have been chilling. Well, 5-0 was actually a lot easier than I expected.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I know how to catch myself, luckily. All right, here we go. All right, that was.
Does not want to grind at all.
Yeah.
Wow!
Yes! I feel like that was the scariest one. Now we gotta figure out what else I can do. Well, front tail, that was my other idea. Damn, that front Smith was a lot scarier than I expected.
Yeah.
2 close calls.
I did say I would do that one last.
You're right. I was not expecting that one to be the last type of trick vibe, but I guess you're right. All right, front tail.
All right.
We're gonna go for a front tail. Then we'll figure out more ideas on the way. Well, that worked really well.
Shout out 187, man.
That was the safest.
All right, if I land it right here, you guys got to go follow my new TikTok. And yeah, so first, yeah, JD Sanchez 3 underscores if I land it right here.
Did not just hit the sweet.
You guys got to go follow my TikTok.
That was
Because
ridiculous.
my old account is just fried.
What the hell,
But-
man? You like pop out of that was crazy.
I did?
That was
Actually,
lit.
that
All right,
didn't
what's up with the
make
Wally, Rick? Just kidding. You
hit
don't
a
have.
narrow challenge?
You don't have to. What do you?
Narrow
What
challenge.
do you mean narrow challenge? What do you want to do?
Oh, you're tripping.
Kickflip the narrow challenge? Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Why did you make that look so easy?
That was sketchy, dude.
How did you do that?
What? What do you mean how? That's so much easier than actually skating it.
Definitely not. Not on my side. No, no way.
All right, JD, you going for the crook ender?
Yeah, I think this would be absolutely sick. This is like viral.
Yeah,
No, I'm kidding.
it's-
I
no,
just want to
it's-
do this.
It's brute for sure.
See if this idea works. Crook all the way off. Now this is not. Oof, I just realized the setup might be interesting. That's okay. I got crooks on a regular ledge. Now let's see if we can bring it up a notch and do it up a ledge and off of a into a Okay, I just need to figure one out because I want to lock in first.
Oh!
Okay, now I gotta full send it. That was like my second attempt. That was it.
Good?
Yeah, I'm chilling. That was kind of scary though. Dude, if I could just lock into one good, I think I'm chilling.
Oh!
That was the one.
That was it. No! Oh my gosh. Dude, it looks ridiculous. Yeah!
Oh my gosh.
That was insane.
Dude, my heart was bumping. I was trying not to show it, but I was nervous. That was so scary.
That was insane. I was nervous too, brother.
Hey, for everyone watching, this is the real deal. These are not some little things that we put together. This is a real dangerous, insanely incredible obstacle that was just destroyed by Rick and JD. So, hey, shouts out to them. You guys are insane.
Thank you.
That was crazy.
Thanks for creating this beautiful build game, pushing me, and I got to try some fun stuff, so yeah.
All right, well, we drop videos every single day at 10 a.m. Pacific, so we'll be here tomorrow and every day after that. We'll see you then. Stay tuned.